All right, y'all, we're back from the trail and it's time to pack in the punch. If you're hungry, favorite snacks right here, you guys, the toddler snacks. But look for that symbol. You see the non-GMO? Yep, right there. Okay. That, and then don't forget to do your weights at the car. D-O. Tell us.
Yes, please. Continue to stay on your fitness no matter what. Do what you want to do. You don't even have to do this. Do whatever you want to do. I like doing this.
All right, y'all, get in nature. Get some snacks. Stay hydrated. Peace out. Humans helping humans.